Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube video language on YouTube. So as you can see here, I'm on YouTube guys, and you just want to go ahead and open up any video that you want to change the language audio for. Once the video is open, I have the same video here, the same one here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this window here and show you directly from this option here. So once you're on the video guys, just simply go ahead and click the settings gear on the lower right hand side, and you want to find audio track, and from there you just simply click on it and choose whatever audio you want. Now just keep in mind that not every single video you'll find on YouTube will have this feature too, so that you can change the audio. And so there's only a handful of video that actually have this feature, and so it's going to be dependent on the video settings for these creators that determine if the audio track is going to be available or not. As you can see, this of English, French, German, Indonesian, Italian, and Portuguese, and of course there's more like Spanish. But you can choose whenever you want. Go ahead and play the video, and once you play the video, this is going to be the audio language that you will hear within the video. So just keep that in mind guys. That's how easy it is to go ahead and change the video audio language in YouTube. Very easy and very simple.